Hello friends, welcome to dptutorials. We have a Primavera schedule with some actual data. Now, if we want to prepare a new schedule by removing the actual progress in this, how to do this? I will show you how to do this in this video tutorial. So this is our simple project with some actual data. First, go to the projects window and go to the calculation tab. Select our current project. This is our current project, and check in the second option under link budget and at completion for not started activities. That is, reset remaining duration and units to original. Now go back to the activity window. Suppose we have some labor resources, we need to reset the unit on cost as 0. So go to the tools in the menu bar and select global change. Click new, and under this subject area select the activity resource assignments, and in this if tab select as where resource type equals labor. Under value select the value as labor, and then go to the then section. Here I would be mentioning the parameters as actual regular labor units equal to 0 and actual overtime labor units equal to 0, and then cost, and actual regular cost equal to $0 and actual overtime cost is equal to 0. So we are making all the labor units and cost to 0 now. Click on this change button. Primavera will show us the preview of change. Click on commit changes. Now resource actual data has been removed from our schedule. Now let us reset the activity status. Again go to the tools in the menu bar and click global change. Click new, and now select the subject area as activities. Under this if tab select the activity status is not equal to not started, and in the then parameters activity status is equal to parameter value should be not started. Okay, so we are changing the activity status from completed to not started. Now click on this change button. Primavera will show us the preview of changes like this, and now click on commit changes. Now the actual dates and actual status has been removed from our schedule. Now we will reset the data date. Click F9 to schedule and select the new data date equal to the project planned start date. Let us give the today's date and click on schedule. Now we have the planned schedule afresh. So friends, this is all about how to prepare a new schedule out of a old which is having the actual data. So friends, if you have enjoyed this video tutorial, please do give a like, share and comment. For further more interesting videos, please do subscribe dptutorials. Thank you friends, thanks for watching.